living free. Drums call through the night when the valley cold. Mothers sang the name of the brave and bold. Rivers carved the stone, but the stone stay sure. So we learn from pain and we come out pure. Through the fire and flood, we no lose our song. Blessed are the ones who hold faith strong. Children of the cedar tree, stand up free. Deep roots, high hope, that's the way we be. Children of the cedar tree, stand tall, still you see. Faith in the wind, love keep we living free. The truth lead way. Every seed that fall, bloom another day. Children of the cedar tree, stand up free. Deep roots, high hope, that's the way we be. Children of the cedar tree, stand tall, still you see. Faith in the wind, love keep we living free. Children of the cedar tree, stand strong, break through seas. Sunrise in our blood and truth in every leaf. Hear the drum go long, hear the river run. We are still standing, one by one. Children of the cedar tree, forever and ever. Deep in the earth we bend, but never shatter. Hear the morning, see it rise. Cedars talking through the skies. From the mountainside we come, with the river in our bones. Long road, hard rain, still we never walk alone. Ancient cedar by the gate keeps the stories in its skin. Every broken branch can sing when the light comes pouring in. Children of the cedar tree, stand tall, stand free. Roots deep in truth, heart strong in unity. Children of the cedar tree, hear the blessings, see. We bend but we don't break. Oh, we rise, yes we rise. Low, calling names through the cane and stone. Mothers pass the wisdom down. Fathers keep the fire known. When the storm tries to test our faith, we hold fast, we hold true. Love like water on the land. Truth will carry me and you. Children of the cedar tree, stand tall, stand free. Roots deep in truth, heart strong in unity. Children of the cedar tree, hear the blessing, see. We bend but we don't break. Oh, we rise, yes we rise. Let the old ways guide our feet. Let the clean heart lead us on. Through the valley, through the grief, still we sing the victory song. One love in the hard times, one truth in the flood. Cedar crown against the wind, we are standing in the mud. Children of the cedar tree, stand tall, stand free. Roots deep in truth, heart strong in unity. Children of the cedar tree, lift your voice with me. We bend but we don't break. Oh, we rise, yes we rise. Children of the cedar tree, stand tall, stand free. Faith in our step and love in everything we be. Hear the morning, see it rise. See us talking through the skies. Hear the morning, see it rise. See us talking through the skies. From the mountainside we come, with the river in our bones. Long road, hard rain, still we never walk alone. Ancient cedar by the gate keeps the stories in its skin. Every broken branch can sing when the light comes pouring in. Children of the cedar tree, stand tall, stand free. Roots deep in truth, heart strong in unity. Children of the cedar tree, hear the blessings, see. We bend but we don't break. Oh, we rise, yes we rise. At sunrise, drum speaks low, calling names through the cane and stone. Mothers pass the wisdom down, fathers keep the fire known. When the storm tries test our faith, we hold fast, we hold true. Love like water song. One love in the hard times, one truth in the flood. Cedar crown against the wind, we are standing in the mud. Children of the cedar tree, stand tall, stand free. Roots deep in truth, hearts strong in unity. Children of the cedar tree, lift your voice with me. We bend, but we don't break. Oh, we rise. Yes, we rise. Cedar tree, stand tall, stand free. Faith in our step and love in everything we be. Hear the morning, see it rise. Cedars talking through the skies. From the hillside to the sea, can you feel it? Children of the cedar tree. Morning touch the mountainside, gold light crown the highest pine. Rivers sing through stone and dust, still we move in faith and trust. Hands full, heart steady, feet firm, so ready. When the wind come rough and wild, we stand like the eldest child. Stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, set your spirit free. Deep roots keep we strong, truth and love all along. Stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, make your soul stay free. We rise, we rise, we rise, under every changing sky. Drums roll out from yard to yard, calling home to the heart. Ears are bread may be thin, rain may fall, still the wise one hear the call. Grandmother speaking quiet though, plant good seed in flesh and bone. We carry fire through the night, faith alive and burning bright. Stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, set your spirit free. Deep roots keep we strong, truth and love all along. Stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, make your soul stay free. We rise, we rise, we rise, under every changing sky. If the river run cold and deep, if the mountain test we feet, still the promise stay inside, like a flame we cannot hide. One family, one heartbeat, one blessing, one street. No fear can take the song. When the roots hold on, stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, set your spirit free. Deep roots keep we strong, truth and love all along. Stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, make from the hillside to the sea. Can you feel it? Children of the cedar tree. Morning touch the mountainside, gold light crown the highest pine. Rivers sing through stone and dust, still we move in faith and trust. Hands full, heart steady, feet firm, soul ready. When the wind come rough and wild, we stand like the eldest child. Stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, set your spirit free. Deep roots keep we strong, truth and love all along. Stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, make your soul stay free. We rise, we rise, we rise, under every changing sky. Drums roll out from yard to yard, calling home to the hard years hard. Bread may be thin, rain may fall, still the wise one hear the call. Grandmother speaking quiet tone, plant good seed in flesh and bone. We carry fire through the night, faith alive and burning bright. Stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, set your spirit free. Deep roots keep we strong, truth and love all along. Stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, make your soul stay free. We rise, we rise, we rise, under every changing sky. If the river run cold and deep, if the mountain tests with feet, still a promise stay inside, like a flame we cannot hide. One family, one heartbeat, one blessing, one street. No fear can take the song when the roots hold on. Stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, set your spirit free. Deep roots keep we strong, truth and love all along. Stand tall like cedar tree, stand tall, make your soul stay free. We rise, we rise, we rise, under every changing sky. Stand tall like cedar tree, children of the cedar tree. Sunrise over river stone, we carry light back home, children of the cedar tree. Blessed in unity. Hear the mountains speak, hear the river roll. From the first sunrise, we remember our soul. From the red earth ground,
We were planted deep,
storm could shake the hills.
still our promise keep.
Long road, heavy load, still we moving on. Truth in our heart, and the weak the cedar tree, stand tall, still you see. Faith in the wind, love keep we living free. Drums call through the night when the valley cold. Mother sang the name of the brave and bold. Rivers carved these stones,
But these stones they sure,
so we learn from pain.
and we come out pure.
Through the fire and flood, we no lose our song. Blessed are the ones who hold faith strong. Children of the cedar tree, stand up free. Deep roots I hold, that's the way we be. Children of the cedar tree, stand tall, still you see. Faith in the wind, love keep we living free. Oh, when the sky grow dark, we lift up our hands. One heart, one people, like grains of sand. Turn to the light, let the truth lead way. Every seed that falls, bloom another day. Children of the cedar tree, stand up.